Independence Day is a very momentous day in the history of every nation, for it marks the rebirth of that nation. We spoke to senior citizens who were there when the Swazi nation got independence from the British. Not only that these senior citizens were already there, but they did attend the ceremony that marked the emergence of a new era in the kingdom.
Kumnanzi kakhulu eMaswatini kwathi ukuthi satati busa inkosi yethu beyibitwa ngaPrimary Chief namhla ngalelanga landiphethe ngoba naloku setaba inkosi yethu kwakukudalwa kabusha kafihlane kwakukudalwa kabusha ukuthi sitati busa
Lincoln Stadium bajabula kakhulu injabulo yethu okuphakamisa inkosi yethu.
Siyajabula impela nesikami nje mina ngijajuliswa nje ukuthi kuze kufike leminyaka le siphila kuyajabulisa impela nelive la kaNgwane futhi selithuthukile kunalo kulebelingiko.
We also spoke to those who came after 1968 to find out what independence mean for them.
Ngibonga kakhulu lemvula abasindela yona cause ngibonga nasengwenyameni yethu cause ngicabanga ukuthi kwaba nekukhulumisana kwabavana somehow cause bekuthiwa bona bala ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe ngasolo sisemadima la kaNgwane.
Ngiyajabula kaNgwane ngisafisa futhi ngalo ukuthi nangabe umuntu lota nje usina ulive kaNgwane ngendiphethe nani kuyahlusheka la ngephandle. Mina nje ipartner puta bangiyifuni mina angivani nayo ngoba ngibona lengephandle la kunemaphathi khona kuphi kuyahlushekwa.
Indeed, 48 years later, Africa's new promise is still growing from strength to strength. For Swazi TV News, I'm Linton Kule with Smuva Shongwe in Babane.